In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock Windows 10 or 11. There are many ways to do it. The first one is the keyboard method. Go to your keyboard and click and hold the Windows key plus L. Just like that, it will automatically lock your computer. And when you unlock it, and if you want to unlock it, just input your PIN. Then for the second method, go hop on the start button, then go to the power button, and just like that, your PC will be locked. And that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.